with another awesome video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own trading cards on Canva. So, yeah, first step you need to do is go to Chrome and search up Canva. Enter Canva, and yeah, guys, I'm not going to teach you guys how to log on to Canva because that's someone else's job, some other tech guy's job. And when you enter Canva, click custom size and you if you guys want to do pixels, the the units are gonna be here on the screen, but I'm doing it in inches. So yeah, width is gonna be 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So yeah, create new design. Okay, guys. So what you're gonna want to do is left click on the page. Sorry, guys. Background color. Choose whatever color you want. I'm going with lime green. Then what you want to do is go search up lines in the elements, and yeah, click on that line and just make an outline thing with it like that. Yeah, and then what you're gonna want to do, left click on it again, do Control D, and then just bring it to the other side, and again Control D. Uh-oh, yeah, guys, it's lost. So yeah, gotta duplicate it again. Duplicate. Yo, wait, what? Whatever, guys. I'm gonna get a new line. Get a new line and just bring it there to the make it horizontal, not vertical. Duplicate it and bring it down. Boom, you got the outline. Next, what you're gonna want to do is search up border, as you see there, and go to graphics, see all, and choose this one. Or if you guys want, just pick any of those premium ones if you have Canva Premium, which I do not have. And to make a box, and this is gonna be for your card's illustration. And next, again, you're gonna want to get lines, and then just bring it from there to there, and yeah, boom. Now what you're gonna want to do, guys, is uh choose your get your image, because yeah, as I showed you guys, I drew the picture. I told you guys you can draw the picture and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I mean, I never said that. What? Just draw picture, put it in Canva, and yeah, take the picture. If you guys want it with a background, then you guys can keep it with the background. But I don't want it with the background, so I use a website called BG Remove. Link will be in the description, guys. So yeah, get your picture, choose a background. Like, I don't need a background, so yeah. Now what you're gonna want? Okay, guys. Wait, what? Now what? Okay, guys. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna be doing like the template of how a Pokemon card look. Like, I downloaded one. No, wait, what? Yeah, Mew EX. Downloaded a picture of Mew. As you guys can see, the name is there, the HP is there, the set thing is there, the abilities are here. So yeah, I'm gonna be following that. So yeah, go to the text box, choose whatever font you want. Yeah, so just get the name of it, get the name of your thing, like donut dynamite, dynamite. I don't know the spelling of it, guys, so yeah, donut dynamite. Just move it there. So I make it a bit smaller. and there. Boom. And then you guys are gonna type that again and type HP. So yeah, guys. Choose the HP. I'll do 120, I guess. Sounds reasonable for Donut Dynamite. Probably 82 sounds reasonable, but it's whatever. Okay, guys. Now that you did that, you guys are gonna want to type the abilities there. But don't forget the line again. I know, guys, I keep forgetting it, okay? Do this. Boom. Okay. Now you guys have to type the abilities. So, yeah. And my favorite font to use is probably more sugar. So, yeah. Choose whatever font you want. And then just type the abilities like crispy kaboom. Kaboom. And then click a hyphen, space, and how much damage does that do? Like 120 space damage. And then I'm going to be doing a simple two ability thing character. So yeah. Next is um yeah sprinkle smash. Yeah, sprinkle smash. That'll do 200 damage. And yeah, just make that. Just extend the size. And if you guys want, you can change the color to something like some color that you want, which I guess I'll change it to brown. Okay. Now what you guys are gonna want to do is type text. Guys, this is optional if you guys want to do this. So go to text, type like how many. So what set number is this? Like what what part of the set? Like how many cards are there to collect? For example, there's 40, and then you guys put a slash there, and then just type what you guys want. Boom. Bigger. And I guess we'll move it there. And boom, guys, you have created your very own trading card on Canva. But next, you guys gotta add a back, which I'm not gonna be teaching you guys how to do it. But the Silly Shenanigans card back that I designed is what is it? This card, I think. Okay, no, I don't know. Okay, the here the cards back, which is missing, guys. Yeah, yeah. Folder's empty. Okay, that's an issue. So yeah, guys, I kind of lost the thing. Hey guys, whatever. I guess yeah. Hey guys, well that's it for today's video. And wait, the picture. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.